Hey guys, welcome back to Barbecue by Biggs. Today, we had leftover pulled pork, so we got the Blackstone out. We're making pulled pork fried rice. Stay tuned. So we got some leftover pulled pork. We're just gonna make some pulled pork fried rice. So we got to heat it up to medium heat here. Then we'll just get the pork on. We'll just get it chopped up. All we're trying to do is heat it up, not necessarily cook it. The side over here is on low. We'll take our rice, just put it over there so it start getting heated up. Get the onions on. Get the peas on. Peas and carrots there. A little bit more oil on there. And most of this stuff, besides the eggs, is pre-cooked. So your rice is pre-cooked. Your vegetables are pre-cooked, they just need to be warmed up. Onions, you just want them translucent. So we'll get these warmed up and we'll bring it back for the sauce. Pork's getting warmed up a little bit. We're gonna add a little bit of sesame oil, both the pork and the rice. A little soy sauce to the rice too. There we go. Just get that mixed up together. That rice mixed up good. Good. We'll bring it all together now. Add about a stick of butter. Blackstone got that stuff real soft. You don't need a whole lot of salt because that soy sauce has salt in it. Now if you got low sodium soy sauce, you're gonna need a little bit more salt. So we're gonna take some granulated garlic, add that. Pretty good helping of that. Pepper. And just a tad of salt. Just a little bit of salt. Coming back, got some sweet soy sauce for rice. Put a little bit of that. And coming back with the other soy sauce as well. And we'll just mix it. Get that butter mixed up. Oil down for our eggs. This amount was 4 cups of rice. We use 3 eggs. Just fry them here and then chop them up. notice I moved this stuff over to the little bit cooler side. This side, medium heat. This side, low heat. This last one has no heat at all. So we'll get those chopped up. Egg chopped up and get it mixed in. Try to get all these lumps out of here so it mixes well. So we still need some moisture, so we'll put some more soy. Sesame oil. Get the egg chopped up real good and get it mixed. A little bit more soy. Just to get it the right color. So instead of salt, add a little soy. Make sure your color's right before you add any more salt to it. Oh yeah, that's good stuff. That's all there is to it. Just keep it moving, don't let it burn. There's no right or wrong amount of soy sauce, it's all to your liking. That pulled pork makes one hell of a fried rice.